Starting in the 2016-2017 school year, all Mesquite ISD employees will be clocking in and out electronically. The new software that you will be using is called GHG, and this presentation will walk you through step-by-step how to clock in and out. Each campus will provide, in the office, a district computer, laptop, or tablet for you to access the GHG software to clock in and out. These should be in the main office in the elementary schools and in the office that takes care of substitutes in the secondary schools. The desktop screen should have this pyramid red sun icon. Please click on this icon. First, you will enter a username. Your username is your employee number. Please note, there are no leading zeros in your employee number. All employee numbers are 4 or 5 digits. Your ASOP login is your employee number with leading zeros. Please remember, you do not use those zeros here. Next is your password. Your password is the last 4 digits of your social security number. Finally, you will click on Clock In on the bottom blue bar. Do not click on the login bar that is directly below your username and password. This bar does not clock you in. Please do not click on Timesheet to review your timesheet during the morning clock-in time. The computers need to be free so that everyone has a chance to clock in on time. After you have clicked Clock In, you should see the box that says, Please select required information. The first one is to select a charge code. Charge codes are the position you will be working or the day/long term. Some of you will see more than one code available. If you are a substitute teacher that also works as an instructional aide, occasionally you will see both codes. In that case, you need to choose the code that matches your job for that day. The next line is to select task. Click to review the drop-down. This will be a list of schools in alphabetical order. You will scroll down and highlight and click to select the school you are working at that day. If you make a mistake on either the charge code or the task, you can change them at any time before you click on Submit. After you have reviewed your information, you can then click Submit. Please note, if you do realize after you have clicked on Submit that you have made a mistake, please speak with the person at that campus that takes care of substitutes. The next screen you will see should look like the screen you are now looking at. Please do not click on View Timesheet in the morning when everyone is trying to get signed in. You only need to click on the word Sign Off in the upper left corner. This does not clock you out, it just signs you off of the GHG software. If you fail to sign off, other individuals could view your information. Additionally, those following after you will not be able to clock in properly until you have signed off. At the end of the school day, you will need to come back to the location that you clocked in and proceed to clock out. You will repeat the same steps of your username, which is your employee number, and password, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and then click Clock Out on the lower blue bar. Finally, you will also need to sign off of the GHG software by clicking on the word Sign Off in the upper left corner. If you would like to review your timesheet, please only do so at the end of the day and only if there is no line waiting to clock out. Any changes or concerns should be addressed to the school secretary that takes care of substitutes. There is actually no need to ever view the timesheet because the school secretary, myself, and payroll will review and make any necessary changes. Again, if you have a question, please contact the secretary that takes care of substitutes. They can review the information and contact myself and/or payroll to resolve any problems. A final note for the first few weeks, you will probably be asked to sign in on the paper sheets as well as using the new GHG software. We appreciate your patience as we put this new system into place. Thank you very much and have a great day.